Hello, Kinder friends. How are you? I'm so happy to be able to see you again. It is Monday, and this was such a great weekend. Yeah, I know that I'm not the only one that got a good load of candy. Wow. Now, while I'm not going to eat it all because that would not be very good for my body, that's a lot of sugar. I am going to do some math with my candy. Are you ready to join me? Come on. Friends, I have my cute little bucket that I took this weekend. And even though I didn't trick or treat, I did have some family and friends that gave me some chocolates. They left them on my porch. Isn't that sweet of them? So I am going to pour all this amazing candy. So friends, we're going to be talking about less than. Yes, yes, yes. So let's talk about less than. What does the word less mean? It means that you don't have a lot. It's a little, right? So I'm going to take these nerds because these are some of my favorite. So I'm going to put them here. And look at all the nerds that I got. Wow. They must know that I really like these nerds because they're small and they don't have a lot of sugar actually. So I have, ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 boxes of the nerds. So do you see any candy that I have less than the nerds? Yes, I see that I have only 1, 2 of these little mints. These are the old-fashioned candy. Yes, I grew up with these. So these are the mints that I have. I have 1, 2. So I have, the mints are less than the nerds. Can you say that with me? Come on. The mints are less than the nerds. And so now let's say that with a number. So how many mints do I have? 2. And so how many nerds do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. Friends, did you notice that when I counted, I made sure to use my finger and touch it as I counted? Yes, because it's important for us to count and touch as we count, just like super readers do. Super mathematicians also use their finger. So friends, now we're going to read it this way. Ready? 2 is less than 7 because 2 is less than 7. All right, friends, so let's try this again. And so I'm going to erase this so that we can continue practicing. And so we are going to practice less than. Okay? Now remember, we have to use our magic finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 5 chocolates. So I'm going to write the number 5 right here. And I want to find something that has less than 5, right? So let's see. Oh, I have some Laffy Taffies right here. So friends, can you find a type of candy that is less than 5? That means any one of these candies that have not 5, but maybe 4 or 2 or 3 or even 1. Yeah, I see that I have Pez candy. And how many do I have of those? I only have 1. So I started off with this group, and friends, can you show me what's less than 5? That's right, the Pez has less than 5. This one is less than 5. Okay, so let's try one more practice. Let's try one more time. So now I'm going to get, these atomic fireballs. Whoa, these look pretty spicy, friends. I don't know that I'm brave enough to try these. Let's count how many we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Friends, I have 7 of these atomic balls. So can you show me a candy or a number that is less than 7? Take a good look. I have these candies. These are called Laffy Taffies. They're called Laffy Taffies. And these are so fun. They are called Laffy Taffies because on every wrapper, they have a joke. Look at this one. It says, "Why did the farmer yell at the grape?" And so you look under the flap right here. Because it was being unreasonable. Get it? Unreasonable? Unreasonable? Because grapes turn into raisins? Oh, Laffy Taffy, you crack me up. Okay, back to math. So we have 7 fireballs. And I asked you to show me what is less than 7. So here we have 1, 2, and 3. Is that less than 7? So if I have 3, is that less than 7? Yes, 3 is less than 7. Because here we only have 3 and here we only have 7. All right, friends. So now, instead of less than, we're going to talk about greater than. So greater than, we're going to write in red so that we can differentiate. We can make it different. Greater than. Greater than. Greater means that it is bigger. But we are going to use the word greater because that's what mathematicians do. They use the proper exact words. So greater than. So friends, I have a yellow nerds. Just one little yellow nerds. And let's see, do I have anything that is greater than the nerds? Because the nerds, I only have 1. Friends, what is greater than 1? That's right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and even 10 is greater than 1. So which candy can I put on this side that is greater than 1? Let's go back to my old-fashioned mitts. How many do I have here? Let's count. 1, 2. So is 2 greater than 1? Correct. You are absolutely correct. I have more of these candies than I do of the nerds. That's why 2 is greater than 1. Okay. One more to finish off with my candies. Ready? So I have these very interesting chocolate bars. So these interesting chocolate bars, they are all different, but we're going to put them in the same group because they are different. And so I have these 1, 2, 3, 4 interesting chocolate bars. I have never had these before, and that's why they're interesting to me because I have never tried these. So we're going to put them in a group together. I have 4 of these interesting chocolate bars that I've never tried. Friends, what is greater than 4? Can I put the nerds here? No, friends, because the nerds is only 1. Is 1 greater than 4? No, not quite. What if I did... What if I did the nerds? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me scoot these over. 6 and 7. I have 7 nerds. So friends, are the 7 nerds greater than the 4 unique new chocolate bars? Yes, you are right. Just look at how many I have here and look at how many I have here. This is 7 and this is 4. Yeah, if you wanted to have the group that has greater than, you would pick this group right here. All right, friends. So let's go back to Miss Orozco and we're going to talk about these words. Less than, greater than. Come on. So there you have it. We just compared the amounts of candies that I had in my Halloween bin. Now, we talked about greater than, and we also talked about less than. So I want you to remember these phrases because these are going to be very important to us in mathematics this week. We are going to be comparing groups of objects. Today we compared groups of candy. Tomorrow we're going to compare a different group of objects. And I want you to be able to tell me which group is greater than and which group is less than. So today, what we would like for you to do is we would like for you to show us a group that is greater than these candies. So how many candies are there? Uh-huh. Now, I want you to find a group of objects, anything that you have around you. It could be candies, it could be coins, it could be beans, it could be rocks or leaves. Show me a group of objects that is greater than this group of candies. How many are here? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-huh. And we also want you to show me a group of objects that is less than this group right here. So again, it could be anything that you have around you. It could be shoes, it could be rice, it could be coins, toy cars, whatever you have. So let's count how many are in this group so you know that you're looking for a group that has less than this group, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 in this group, and you will be looking for a group of objects that has less than 9. Are you ready? Make sure you take a picture of it and show it to us here in Schoology. Bye, friends.